My name's Stephanie. This is my husband, Shad. So one of the things that we enjoyed the most when working with Cory and CB Restoration is the amazing communication. Cory would reach out anytime he had a question. There was never any hesitation. He was very clear on what was going on. So the communication was phenomenal. Something that I particularly am happy with is the craftsmanship with the cabinetry. One of the things that we very much wanted is a little add-in to our cabinetry. We wanted a place for our dog food bowl and water bowl. We liked the little specified area, a little raised area for the doggy water bowl and food bowl, and they did a phenomenal job. Yeah, that was fantastic. Everything is beautiful. They came in and they got it all in. They got it set up. Everything works the way it should. It's incredible. We are so happy.
At this time, lines were spot on. He would keep us informed every time somebody was coming, and he had them one after the other, and it just worked out perfect. In communication, he will talk to you on a weekend. On a Sunday night, his phone is always available, and he will always talk to you.
We had a great experience with CB Restoration. Cory was fantastic, and we would highly recommend them to anyone that's looking to do any kind of remodeling project with their home.
Hey, this is Cory with CB Restoration. We just finished up a kitchen remodel here in Peculiar, Missouri. It turned out fantastic, and I just want to thank the team of subcontractors that came out and helped us put this project together.